If you need help managing your business and your books and your finances, and you're frustrated because you don't really know where you're at, watch this video right now. I'm Keith Kelfis with the Window Cleaning Blueprint. Here I'm with Dan Platta, and he's a financial genius. He's the CEO of Blue Skies Bookkeeping, but also built a window cleaning business with his partners to a multi-million-dollar, multi-state operation. And I'm here right now. I live in Michigan, but I'm in Minnesota right now on a business trip. And I stopped by his house to hang out. And so, real quick, business. We're talking business. One more thing. I'm on Facebook live watching him the other Saturday morning. I'm drinking some coffee, and you guys have, what's the name of the group? The
Bookkeeping, Beer, and BS.
Bookkeeping.
The funnest place to do accounting on the internet.
The funnest place. So I needed help managing my books, and then I was talking to Michael Dahlke. He's like, Dan Platta, right? I'm talking to Joshua Latimer. I'm talking to Bobby Walker. And these big names in the industry, and they keep talking about this Dan Platta guy. And next thing I know, I call Dan. I feel a little bit vulnerable. I'm like, Dan, I need help. My QuickBooks looks like a tornado hit it. And Dan is and his company have been doing my books now, and we're here looking at my P&L statement. Just take it from here, dude.
So here's the thing. There's no accident to growing a multi-million-dollar business in a multi-state business like we have. It's all driven by financial decisions. And if you want to be a good business operator, bookkeeping is probably the first thing you should start on. It's not something I get asked the question a lot, hey, when's the right time to start bookkeeping? I don't have QuickBooks set up. And the answer is, if you're asking that question, you're already too late. You should start, the best time was yesterday. The second best time is right now. You can't grow a great business and make great decisions if you don't have great information. So you don't need to be an accounting nerd or a bookkeeping nerd. You just got to make sure that some nerd is working on it for you, whether it's me or somebody else. There's other smart finance nerds out there too. But we focus only on the service industry, only on small businesses, and trying to help our clients make more money. Because that's what it's all about.
Help your clients make more money. The first time that he sent me a P&L statement for my business, I was like, it literally took so much weight off my shoulders, and I felt so relieved because now I could see every little thing on the statement. What is a P&L statement?
Profit and loss. Sometimes you see P and L.
Yeah.
Sometimes you see P and L, but it all means the same thing. Profit and loss, it's how much money you're making over a period of time. That's how we measure ourselves, right? We're not in business to see what happens. We're in business to make money, to take care of our family, take care of our friends, do cool stuff, have more freedom. So the best way to do that is to measure yourself. And what gets measured gets improved, and what doesn't get measured doesn't get improved, right? Because how would you know how you're doing? How would you know what to do to improve? Measure. Got to be obsessive about it.
Yeah, this guy is, go check him out on Facebook. I'll put links below to all his stuff. And, I'll put links in the, below of what is COGS. What is COGS? Click the link below to the next video, and you'll see what that is.
Ooh, I like that.
Ooh, you like that?
Like me some COGS.
So some COGS.